hopefully this is the last freaking box because I already unboxed 2 boxes and it's multiple boxes inside of the box. Okay, so as you can see here, we got LED taillights, but they're not just regular LED taillights where you just replace that back lens and it's an LED taillight. These are actually one of the more expensive mods I've gotten for the Jeep, and it's also going to be one of the better mods that I've gotten because it replaces that whole taillight housing. And so if you guys don't know, these are literally just universal taillights that every truck and trailer use. So you see these taillights everywhere. And if you see, they stick out like 3 or 4 inches from the body. And once you start looking at it, it doesn't look very good. At first glance, it looks fine. Everybody runs those taillights, so we're pretty used to it. But I went ahead and got these really sleek taillights. LED taillights, they only stick out that far. So it'll replace that whole housing on the back and it'll be just like this. And I'm really excited about it. Now that's not all we got. I also got LED lights for the turn signals on the front. So all 4 front turn signals are now going to be LED and the rear taillights are going to be LED. I also went ahead and got the LED resistor, which is what you need, or else you'll get the hyper flash. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put these together. But first, we got to take the old ones off, so let's go ahead and do that real fast. Okay, so it is the next day. I actually last night had to just put everything down. You can see it's still all right here. I had to put everything down and just go to sleep because I could not figure it out. I had everything wired up correctly and nothing would work. I went ahead and posted a question into a Facebook group. I asked what the problem could be, and people said that I actually just have to mount the housing to the body because that actually grounds it, which it makes so much sense now that I think about it. They're basically trailer lights. That's how trailer lights work. So we're gonna go ahead, back the Jeep back up and try to mount it, and hopefully it works. Alright, the battery died right whenever I tested the light, but it does work. So putting the housing on the body grounded it out. Huge relief. I thought I was gonna have to do something. I don't know. I did not know what to do yesterday. So huge thank you to Midwest Jeep Thing, I think is the group on Facebook, for helping me out because I never would have figured that out. I always test my things before I install it, and so that's what made sense to me. But let's just go ahead and install the other one and then compare the before and after. Okay, so as you saw, we got the lights installed and they look really good. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They're really slim compared to the other ones. The weird part is I was gonna put these LED lights in the front parking lights and the turn signals, and whenever I put all of them in, the indicator lights on the dashboard light up even if I just have the running lights on. And then whenever I press the hazard lights, nothing happens. They don't flash. The fronts don't flash. So it's really weird. I don't know what to do on that, so I guess I'm just gonna leave the front LED lights out for now at least. Also, I need to do a relocation on that license plate mount because the lights do interfere with that. To give you guys a better look at the lights, you can see here how thin and slim they are, and they look really nice. Now with the license plate, I know it looks kind of janky. I just went ahead and cut this down so it's still bolted up and then just put my license plate over it. It's just a temporary thing. I'm probably going to fix it in the future, but it works right now, so I don't really need to fix it yet. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights for you guys just so you can see them a little bit better. So they look really good, and I'm really happy with how they look. So with that being said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. Also comment down below what you thought of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we install something really exciting, which I'm about to do right now. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.